wanna ride on my wave. Just because it's fun, you wanna be in my space. Too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it. But you haven't seen anything yet. Now you're just beginning your trip to regrets. You might think you know me, but soon you forget. I'm too insane, and you know it. You got to learn to like me again and again, 'cause I will make you love me again and again. Just when you think you love me, you'll think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. I'll say I'm fine when I'm not, just to mess you up. I won't be home when you want, and I won't pick up. You'll spend your time with your watch, counting down the clock. You'll go insane, and I like it. But you haven't seen all of me yet. Now I'm just beginning your work in progress. You might think you know me, but soon you forget. I'm too insane, and you know it. You got to learn to like me again and again, 'cause I will make you love me again and again. Just when you think you love me, you'll think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. Again and again. Again and again. You wanna ride on my wave, just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it. You got to learn to like me again and again, 'cause I will make you love me again and again. Just when you think you love me, you think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. You got to learn to like me again and again, 'cause I will make you love me again and again. Just when you think you love me, you'll think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. Again and again. Again and again.
So I don't know, what do you want for dinner tonight?
Chicken and salad.
That sounds good. Oh, hi, honey.
Oh, hey, Mom. Your package, by the way.
All right, friends, that's going to wrap up today's video. We thought we would have some fun and do something different. I'd like to thank Xtool for the F1 Portable Laser and my daughter for the making of this video. Some key points about the F1 laser. It's the fastest laser at the palm of your hand. Obviously, it's portable. This laser is awesome because of its small scale. You can take it over to family and friends. You can take it to craft shows. Anywhere where you need to make things. It allows you to do engraving right there on the spot. So now that my daughter had a chance to actually try out this machine, she's obsessed. I'm gonna have 3 daughters in college. I have one in a sorority. The other one was thinking of all these different creative ways to make jewelry, hats, coasters. So you can basically engrave all kinds of materials: wood, glass, leather, plastic, gold, silver, rock, ceramic. So you can see there are a wide variety of things you can engrave on, which makes the F1 extremely versatile. Here's one last look at the F1's amazing features. Roll the clip.
Meet Xtool F1, the fastest portable IR and diode laser engraver for almost all materials.
Yes, it's 10 times faster than most of the desktop laser engravers. We use industrial-grade galvanometer technology to make the Xtool F1 faster, and the fastest of its kind.
Thanks to the innovative structure of the galvanometer system, your engraving will be precisely placed with smooth lines and full of vivid details. Achieves higher and higher accuracy by combining the diode and infrared laser. xTool F1 can engrave more and more materials. You can use a 10-watt diode laser to engrave on wood, leather, ceramic, glass, rock, rubber, and use a 2-watt infrared laser on gold, silver, copper, acrylic, stainless steel, plastic, and aluminum. Simply set the laser mode in the software in one creation. You don't need to manually switch between two laser modes. With the free software, creating with the xTool F1 becomes easier than ever. Customize the design in the software, adjust the focus with the knob, preview the exact position you're about to engrave in, and press the button to see your work completed in the blink of an eye. xTool F1 is made safe to use. Its fully enclosed design helps filter laser light, while the built-in ventilation fan effectively extracts the smoke. With the air purifier, it guarantees a smoke-free and harmless environment. You can use and play with it safely with your family and friends. We made xTool F1 handheld and portable, so you can engrave at different angles and decorate your home as you desire. With the world's first 4-in-1 rotary attachment, you can engrave on mugs, rings, champagne glasses, and balls. To expand your imagination on bigger projects, xTool F1 introduces an extension kit, which can enlarge the working area by 4 times. It is designed to be smart and easy for batch engraving, greatly enhance your working efficiency, and take your business to the next level. With xTool F1, you can easily realize all your ideas, efficiently fulfill more business orders, make your shop special and stand out, or unleash your creativity anytime, anywhere.
I'll have any promotional deals in the description box below. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Love you all so much. Mwah. Bye, guys.
I just wanna have fun. Come and beat me up.